Okay, it's January 12th. This is the after. I had the before and the after furnace filter. I wasn't gonna film putting it in. All right, I'll film it real fast. Okay, so it's all spick and span, clean. I cleaned it, dried it. Let's go in here now. Maybe I can prop this up so you can see. Oh, where's my flashlight? Yeah, my flashlight. Flashlight. Okay. So let's try this. Let's see if we can do something with the camera. First of all, okay, so you can hear that the furnace is on. I'm not going to shut it off yet. So the heat is coming up. Alright, throw this in there. It's just a utility, just a thing. Just a wash basin. I don't really even use it that much. An extra one I have. There's the thing, the filter. I'm coming in here. I mean, I could film all day, all day, like 24/7 practically. Anyway. So, I'll take this light here. See, now my flashlight's going out. It's just light, and I just stick it in here. Stick it in here like this. Alright. So here's the filter. Now my flashlight will not stay on. Shutting off the furnace. Shutting it off for a second. Take this thing's off here. This is a little wobbly, this thing. So it looks like this, let me see. So this end, okay. So the thing is, with a regular filter, disposable one, see, it breaks. You can fold it more easily than you can fold this one, which you can't fold that easily. So, this is in as far as it'll go in there. Gotta bend it. Oh, see, there's a whole bunch of dust right in here. I'd like to take see, there's dust in here, just here. In here. I don't even know what I'm filming here, but I really don't feel comfortable vacuuming this. I used to have it done, a cleaning done, which you have to pay for, though. They add it to your bill. So I didn't have it done. The last time I had it done, ironically enough, was right before Hurricane Sandy. I think it was, yeah, it was, maybe a week or so before. Anyway. See, the problem is this space. This here is a space indentation in there. All right, I don't want to make a big thing out of this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. What the hell am I looking at? Okay. Here's the thing. Right, here's the thing. Alright, So, alright. So, it is what it is. I can't really worry about what you're saying. Hopefully, you'll see something. Okay. Okay. Now, this part, I don't want it to get, like, stuck in the hole. What's the problem here? Let's see. Yup, it's stuck in the hole in the back. All the way in the back. Yeah, still stuck in the hole. Let's see. Yeah. It's stuck in the goddamn hole. My thing went out. Alright, you know what? I gotta. I gotta stick my arm way in the back. Hold on. Okay, I think it's let me see. Okay, that should be right there. This particular is a little, yeah, put it right there. That's right. Okay, this is right. I don't even know if you can see this. You know, I'm trying to show you this. You see, in other words, here's the tie. It goes all the way to the end. And the bottom. Bottom. And that's the end. So it's alright. It's not oppressing on any wires. So I put this thing on here, this bar to hold it in place. Like this. Put the bar in, okay. Now, Yeah, this is what we do with this. What is this piece of wood? Piece of wood. I don't know where the hell that came from. Piece of wood. Put the bar on. Put the bottom on. What what happens is at the bottom, I try to slide it in the groove here, and the bottom like flaps up. Like flat, which is doing that. It flaps up. This happens all the time. That's why you hear me banging things. It's not going in there right. It's still flat. Okay, here it goes. Alright. That's it, the end. Alright. Alright, so that's it. Yeah. Push this light out. Push this light out here. And I still got it. Of course, it doesn't solve the problem of the dry air, but at least I got rid of that dirt. Alright, so that's it. It's 11, this is 12 minutes, so that's a good place to stop. So I'll just move this over and close this up. That's all. 12 minutes.